the real reason you feel drained every day, and how to rebuild your energy. Let's talk about that kind of exhaustion that most parents are hiding very well. The emotional load, the mental pressure, and the constant background of anxiety that makes even the simplest little thing feel heavy, stressing you out, making you short tempered, and God knows what else. This type of exhaustion doesn't show up in your calendar, it shows up in your body. It shows up in your emotions, it shows up in your nervous system. You're managing emotional tone, family needs, work pressures, unspoken expectations, and the internal voices that say that you should be handling it better. That's not being tired. That's emotional overcapacity. It's emotional overload. This is the part that performs instead of expresses. It pushes you instead of rests. It holds instead of asks. It survives instead of leading from a calm internal power. Your survival identity gets things done, but it costs you your energy. Your path back to power isn't through big changes, it's through small regulation, micro momentum, tiny consistent shifts that tell your nervous system that you're safe. You don't have to have that high alert, that fight, flight, or freeze in constant review of your mirror. One intentional breath before speaking can change everything. 5 minutes to yourself after work, before work, during lunch hour, anything can help mitigate that drop off. Putting your phone down at dinner and sitting at the dinner table with your family. Letting one thing be good enough today because perfection is an illusion. Your energy will regenerate when you stop proving everything to everyone. When you stop pleasing everyone else and start looking to please yourself. When you stop carrying everything alone and start asking for help. When you allow the support to come in and work together versus working alone. You slow down before your system collapses because slowing down can actually help you speed up. So you don't need more discipline. You don't need more strategies. You don't need more skills. You don't need to keep all your shit together. You need calm ecosystem internal. And that will allow you to have that calmer sense of energy. Because let's face it, you cannot control what's constantly going on out there. You can control how you think about it, how you feel about it, and then how you're going to act or respond to it. So if you want to build your energy without adding more pressure, if you want to be able to come into a safe haven, a safe place, to be able to capture and learn the internal pieces that it takes to not let all that external stuff impact you so much, then come in to the group coaching memberships inside the Annihilation Edge community. This is where exhausted parents can land, have a soft landing. It's new, it's fresh, and it's just getting started. So when you join, you will have access to what I call OTMs, my original tribe members, where you'll have deep discounts for as long as you maintain your membership. And inside the group coaching, you're going to have access to special virtual calls with me. You'll have access to all of the content that's specific to the group coaching. And it's all held inside of a community. And if that's too much right now, then just join the community. The community itself is a one-time $10 fee. You get access to the community for free if you join the group coaching membership. But if you need to just start off softly, then come into the community where you'll get posts and quick tips and tricks to learn to start navigating. But it's within the group coaching membership that you get the deep dive, where you get the real transformation and the real support going forward. So if either of those ring true to you or if something speaks to you in this video, then share it out to people that you may know. And check out the links in the description and in the comments, because that's where you'll be able to join the group coaching membership, grab the OTM bonuses, and be able to join now with the holiday bundle, where you'll also get the 10 keys to unstoppable you. Inside the community is where you'll get your warm welcome and ongoing support. And not only that, be able to make connections and be able to communicate with other like-minded people. So come as you are, with all of who you are, so we can leave the exhaustion at the door and you can come and find your safe reset. Starts with tiny micro momentum shifts for bigger, long-term lasting change.